You did not click this video by accident. Something inside you paused, even for a second, and that pause matters more than you think. Right now, you might feel tired. Not just physically, but deep inside. You smile in front of people, but your heart feels heavy. You try to stay strong, but some nights feel longer than they should. You wonder why things are not working. You wonder why doors stay closed, no matter how hard you try. And in the middle of all this video appears in front of you. That is not random. Sometimes, when everything feels confusing, Allah sends a small sign. Not loud. Not dramatic. Just something simple that reaches your heart at the right moment. Maybe this is that moment for you. Think about it. You have been holding so much inside. Worries about your future. Pain from your past. Pressure from people around you. You keep going, but inside you are asking, when will it get easier? Allah hears that question. Every single time. You might feel unseen, but you are never unnoticed. You might feel forgotten, but you are never forgotten. The delay you are facing is not empty. It is filled with wisdom that you cannot see yet. Sometimes what looks like silence is actually protection. Sometimes what feels like loss is actually a hidden rescue. You wanted something so badly. You prayed for it. You waited. And it did not happen. That hurt you. It made you question everything. But what if that thing was never meant to stay in your life? What if Allah removed it because it would have broken you later? You see one moment. Allah sees the whole path. Life can change very quickly. One day you feel stuck. The next day, something shifts. A door opens. A heart heals. A problem gets solved in a way you never expected. What feels impossible today can become easy tomorrow. Your job is not to control everything. Your job is to trust, even when it feels hard. Take a deep look at your life. You survived things you once thought would destroy you. You faced days when you felt like giving up, but you still woke up and kept going. That strength did not come from nowhere. Allah gave you that strength. And He is still with you. This moment, right now, is a reminder. Slow down. Breathe. Talk to Allah. Even if your words are messy. Even if you feel lost. Speak from your heart. He understands what you cannot even explain. You do not need perfect words. You need a sincere heart. Let go of the idea that everything must happen according to your plan. Sometimes the best things come when your plans fall apart. Sometimes the delay is preparing you for something bigger, something better, something that truly fits your life. Do not rush your story. Do not compare your journey. What is meant for you will reach you. No one can take it away. And what is not meant for you will never stay, no matter how hard you try to hold it. So instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Try asking, what is Allah teaching me through this? That shift can change everything. You are not behind. You are not late. You are exactly where you need to be in this moment. Even if it feels uncomfortable. Even if it feels uncertain. Growth often feels like discomfort. Healing often feels like silence. But both are signs that something is changing inside you. And one day, you will look back at this phase and understand. You will see how every delay, every pain, every unanswered prayer was guiding you somewhere better. Until then, keep going. Keep trusting. Keep believing. And remember this clearly. If this video reached your eyes today, it carries a message for your heart. You are not alone. Allah is taking care of you in ways you cannot see. Hold on a little longer. Your ease is coming. If this message touched your heart, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more reminders that bring you closer to peace.